Good morning, children. I am sure you all must be hale and hearty. Let us begin our day with today's thought. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. This quote by Einstein perfectly captures the power of imagination. Imagination gives birth to creativity. Creativity is useful in solving problems, communicating with others, and entertaining ourselves and others. Today's lesson, that is 1.6, collage is also a part of creativity. Take out your textbooks, page number 21. Children, you all must have seen collage. A collage is a piece of art made by sticking various different materials such as photographs and pieces of paper or fabric onto a background. This lesson, presented in the form of a collage, talks about Swami Vivekananda, his beliefs, his work and his contribution. This lesson also has some of his famous quotes, each of which has a deep meaning to it. Now let us see the lesson. Swami Vivekananda, born Narendra Datta, was a great personality who made the world aware of the greatness of Indian philosophy. Now what do you mean by philosophy? It is a noun which means a theory or attitude that acts as a guiding principle for behavior. At the Parliament of World's Religions, he began his speech with Sisters and Brothers of America. At these words, he received a 2-minute standing ovation. He emphasized the importance of selflessness and service to mankind. He is regarded as a patriotic saint. Now what do you mean by emphasized? Emphasized means give special importance to something. Now patriotic saint. The meaning of patriotic, see, it is an adjective for the noun saint. So patriotic means having or expressing devotion to one's country. Now you all know that from this paragraph we come to know that Swami Vivekananda made the world aware of the greatness of Indian philosophy. Now these are a few famous quotes by Swami Vivekananda. Let us first focus on the first one. And you can observe the whole lesson is presented in form of a collage. Let us see the first quote. Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. This given quote says that one should rise up to achieve one's goal until it is achieved. One should not stop to rest. Achieving one's goal should be a relentless affair. Now see the second one. Talk to yourself at least once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss a meeting with an excellent person in the world. I am sure you all know who is that excellent person. Yes, it is none other than you yourself. So, we should talk to ourselves at least once in a day. This given quote says that each one of us is unique and excellent in our own way. We spend most of our lives talking to others but forget to have a conversation with ourselves and hence do not realize our own qualities. So to know our own qualities, we should talk to ourselves. Now see the third one. Fill the brain with high thoughts, highest ideas. Place them day and night before you and out of that will come great work. High thoughts and high ideas act as an inspiration to achieve higher goals. Now what is inspiration? Something that encourages and inspires. Regarding the life and work of great men motivates us to believe in ourselves, the outcome of which is great work. Children, I hope you understand. Now see the next thought. Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it. Live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea and just leave every other idea alone. This is way of success. Such a great thought. Swami Vivekananda, through these lines, tells us to eat, sleep and breathe our dreams. We must focus on that one dream so much that it becomes our very life. Only when we completely focus our energy on that one dream and give our heart and soul to it, can we be successful? See the next one. Whatever you think, that you will be. If you think yourself weak, weak you will be. If you think yourself strong, strong you will be. The given lines emphasize the importance of thoughts. The quality of our thoughts determine the quality of our lives, because we are what our thoughts are. So, by carefully choosing empowering thoughts, we can become what we wish to become. So children, I am sure you have seen how nicely the collage of Swami Vivekananda's thoughts has made. Now, the activity given at the bottom of page number 21 is for self-study. That is, you have to do on your own. But before doing that, let us see the examples of collage. Now, this is a butterfly. Actually, it is a collage work, pasting various pictures giving the shape of a butterfly. Now this is another collage. You can see a bird over here, but actually it is a collage. Such a beautiful creation. You can just observe it carefully and see how collage is made. Now this is regarding a festival celebrating Diwali. A wonderful collage showing the different events of Diwali, how we celebrate the festival, is shown with the help of a collage. Now I am sure the concept of collage is clear. Now you can try the activity on your own. Take care till you make the activity. Take care of yourselves. Thank you.